Well, howdy, this is Bill Weiss. Today I want to show you how to change out your control from your PG1000i to the Fireboard controls. We start by removing that end plate or access panel there on the end of the oven, and we take off remove all the wires from the old control. And as we go through this video, I just want to stress that these steps are not exactly the same as what the installation instructions are, but they are in the same order, but they are the same instructions. I'm still removing all the connections that's underneath the hopper. Next, we want to remove the old combustion fan. There's two screws right there at the end that I'm removing that holds that bracket in place, that holds the fan. And there may be one screw there in the back that's holding that fan in place. If there is, you got to remove it too, and that's what I found in this one. And take your new fan, and it's important that you put the sticker side towards the fire. And just put the brackets back in place. Next, we've already taken out the old temp sensor, and we're installing the new one. I just installed it there. It's held in place with two screws. And then there's a channel down there at the bottom. You can see where I'm pushing the wires through. Push them all the way through. This is the temperature sensor wire. There's two red wires. We're connecting the blue connector to it. It doesn't matter which wire goes where, just one goes in one port, the other goes in the other. Now we're ready to install the Fireboard controller. There's just 4 screws on this Fireboard controller, so instead of the 6 like what was on the old controller. Next, what we want to do is all the components, the igniter, the auger motor, the fan, and power cord, we need to attach butt connectors to each one of those components and then match it up with the corresponding wires coming from the controller, and they're marked, whether it's going to the auger or to the power cord or what, they're all marked. So just line up those components with the proper wires and connect the butt connectors so that they're all connected together. Auger motor wires that we're putting the connector on. You need a little bitty flathead screwdriver to do that. I am plugging in the temp sensor, attaching the 4 screws that holds the controller in place. It's easier to do this last in case you got to get behind there like I did on those 1 wires. Makes it easier to strip and crimp them. And you'll find that there's 1 plug that's left over, and it's labeled fan. You won't use that, so that's why it's bundled there with nothing connected to it. Take the zipper ties that were provided and just bundle up the wires so that they're all out of the way. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, feel free to give us a call at Cookshack at 800-423-0698, and we'll be happy to answer any questions.